Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, I welcome you all to SP Media TV. Hi guys, hello viewers. Once again, I welcome you all to SP Media TV. Still your girl Mimi Banks. So today we are out again, and we are going to be asking people questions. So the question we are going to be asking them today is: in 2023 election, did they want us to vote as one Nigerian, or they want the country to be splitted? So let's hear from the citizens and see their opinion about if they want the country to remain one or they want the country to be splitted. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.
So guys, here is my first guest. So sir, please, we want to ask you a question. In this coming 2023 election, do you want us to vote as one Nigeria, or you want the country to be splitted?
No, I want me we vote one Nigeria.
Sir, please, can you give us the reason why you want us to vote as one Nigeria?
Because Nigeria is good. Nigeria is good. People say Nigeria is this and that. Nigeria is still good. We want me we be one. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, may we be one. We are one for a long time now. Why we want to pieces now? No, when we be one, I pray for it, we will be one. Nigeria will be good in Jesus' name.
Amen. All right, sir, please, can you tell us your name?
My name is Tonda Francis from Badagry Local Government Council.
All right, thank you very much for your time, sir. Thank you, sir. So I want to ask you, in this coming 2023 election, do you want us to vote as one Nigeria, or you want the country to be splitted?
Ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́ tó tọ́lọ́hún. Orúkọ mi ni Ọláwálé. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú yìí, ẹ má yẹ ká sọ òyìnbó ọ̀kan. Òyìnbó tá a fi kó wa jẹ ní kinní nìyẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ Yorùbá. Yorùbá ó lọ as one nation. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ lọ́tọ̀ tí kò ní ká kó lọ lọ́tọ̀ kí má là lọ lọ́tọ̀ kí Ìgbò lọ lọ́tọ̀. Ṣẹ́rí ìyá tẹ fi ń jẹ wá. Mítì tẹ lọ ṣe níjẹta àbí jẹrin tẹ lọ ṣe ní London tẹ lọ ṣe tẹ lọ dọ́là dànù. Ìyá tó sì máa jẹ wá náà nìyẹn tàbá ń fòtì pé kiri kan. Ẹ jẹ́ kó ní ká kó dúró lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Àbòkí pa gbogbo èèyàn láti jọjọ́ ẹ̀ ní kankan ṣe sí. Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Gbogbo wọn ló wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí. Àbòkí ló gbọ́ fún gbogbo stéètì gbogbo ìlú. Èmi ò lè sọ ẹ jẹ́ kó gbogbo á lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Mẹ́wò split ká pín pátápátá. That's my own support.
The country cannot be splitted. Why? Because Nigeria are one. I think the best man to rule this country is Tinubu, because he have all the phenomenal cranicotional Vaticans in him. You understand me? And Tinubu can take a commissioner from other states. He can take a local government from another place. Why you deny the man? Without Tinubu, this country will divide. I've said it. I've chattered engineer Kayame Diogbinagbini of Edo State. We are not sharing anything. Without Tinubu, this country will be straightened. They should give peace a chance. That man have tried.
One Nigeria is okay.
Okay, can you give us the reason why you want us to remain as one?
My my forefather say Biafra, Afra. Reach now, no Biafra. Understand? Before Biafra go come, we no one know, but I believe say Biafra can come. Check outside land, north, east, west. Many people are there, so Biafra can't work. But you just try their own best. But for my own side, though, I believe say Biafra can't work. For my own side, I believe so. Until everybody just vanish for this Nigeria. I'm serious, so that's all.
Okay, so you want us to remain as one Nigeria?
One Nigeria is okay.
Sir, please, I want to ask you, do you want us to vote as one Nigeria, or you want the country to be splitted?
I want the country to be splitted.
Can you give us the reason why you want the country to be splitted?
There's a lot of cheating. They are cheating us.
So, like,
look at how Nigeria is now. Nigeria is hunger. We are suffering. So I want the Nigeria to be splitted. I want Igbo to be to date their own. What are they calling themselves? And we want Yoruba to be in Odua country. Let Hausa date their own. So I want the Nigeria to split.
I wan ask you, shey you want make we remain as one Nigeria, abi you want make we split, make everybody go their own?
So, good morning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Good morning, the ladies and gentlemen, my brothers, my sisters, my uncle, my fathers, my auntie. So, this my sister that you see, she asked me, said, what that I see in my mind, let me talk say about Nigeria. So it's supposed to divide Nigeria into two, or it's supposed to leave Nigeria into one. Me, what I understand at Nigeria, me, I be Hausa and I be Arewa person. I was in Katsina State, Kusada local government, Yashebi, Gidan Daya, Jerry. So, and my name is Zakiru Adamu. So the motion I want to talk now about this question that this my sister asked me. So what I see, what I think in my mind about Nigeria. So I want to give like one example to three. So I was in Lagos now. No day, no time, no hour that I'm not seeing a car of cow coming to Lagos. No day, no hour that I'm not seeing a motor of tomato that is coming to Lagos. No day, no hour that I'm not seeing a motor of onions coming to Lagos. No time that I'm not seeing a motor of beans coming to Lagos. No day, no time that I'm not seeing a car of ram, sheep, goats, and camel. Anything that is part of food is coming from Arewa to Lagos. If we share Nigeria now, so what is that one? So let me just stop like that. The person who hear what I said, let him go ask himself the question, because I not get too much knowledge that I want to break this word that I speak. But the people who get sense past me, let them go and think about what I said now. Thank you.
I wan ask you, shey you want for this coming election make we dey as one Nigeria, abi you want make Igbo go their own, Yoruba go their own, Hausa go their own?
Okay, to ni dai Hausa ne, kuma dole in faɗi abin da ke raina. Abin da nake so gaskiya, wanda yake so a raba Najeriya shi ma haka ya taso ya ganta. Ya taso ya ga da Hausa da Igbo da Bayarabe haka ya zo gansu a tare guri daya. Kuma duk wanda yake so a raba haka ya gansu, ya zai raba sun da Allah bai raba su, ya zai raba su. Don haka kowa ya gina tunanin wai za a raba Najeriya ko wani Igbo ya koma wajen shi, Bahaushe ya koma wajen shi, Bayarabe ya koma wajen shi, ba gaskiya bane, wannan ba daidai bane.
All right, thank you very much for your time.